Children, this is the question based on the cross product of two vectors. That if the two vectors are given A and B in the component form, then how you will calculate the cross product of A and B. So the vectors are given in the component form and you will write A cross B in this manner. Cross sign is compulsory between two brackets. Now cross product always solved through the determinant method. Okay, so how you will create the determinant method? See, here you have a I, J, K. So first row will consist of I cap minus J cap and K cap. And then you will write the component of A vector, magnitude of the component of A vector in X, Y and Z direction. So here 3 we are writing this is Ax, Ay and Az. So Ax is equal to 3, Ay is equal to minus 4 and Az is equal to 5. Now this is what Bx, By and Bz. So Bx minus 2, By 1 and Bz minus 3, because generally you write the determinant in this manner, I cap minus J cap and K cap, and this should be what? Ax, Ay and Az, and this is Bx, By and Bz. So I have written these value here and these value here from the equations. Okay, you have to take the sign also from the equations. Now first of all what you will do, you will write I cap, because this is also a vector, so this should come in the form of ijk. Okay, so first you will write I cap. So when you are taking I cap, now you close this column in which I cap is there and this row. Okay, so when you will close this row and this column, you have to take the product. What is the sequence of product? You will take the product of J and K. So minus 4 multiplied by minus 3, first you will take the product this and then minus sign applied and this product. Okay, so I have written minus 4 and this is minus 3, this product, then minus sign come over here and take the product of this 1 and 5. Okay, so you have got this. Now take minus j over here, so you have to close this row, this column and this row. So only the terms which you have to take the product, 3 and minus 3, minus 2 and 5, because this is closed. Okay, so how you will take? Again the sequence of the multiplication is like this. So 3 multiplied by minus 3 and then minus sign will come over here and then you will write 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Okay, second term. Now the plus K cap, when you are taking K cap, you have to close this column and close this row. So when you are closing this and this, you have to take the product 3 into 1 minus minus 2 into minus 4. Sequence of the product will be same in all. So you will write 3 into 1 and minus 2 minus 4. Okay, this you have got. Now solve the brackets. This will be 12 and this will be 5. This will be minus 9 and this will be, that is plus 10, because this is minus and minus minus plus, and this will be what? 3 and this will be minus 8. So after solving 12 minus 5 minus 9 and plus 10 and 3 minus 8, you are getting 7 I cap, and here you are getting only the J cap minus 9 plus 10, and here you are getting minus 5 K cap. So you have got A cross B in its component form. Okay, because this is also a vector, this should come in the form of IJK.